Hello everyone. So here we are going to see how to download and install the MySQL database software in your computer. So many students are getting confused. It's very simple. First simply open the Google and type simple MySQL download in your Google. And after that here you can see that MySQL installer 8.0.28. So latest version, simply click over here. Now here you have to select your operating system. Here I am selecting the Windows as the operating system and simply download the installer. Its size is very less. If you want to download the full one, then its size is around 435 MB. So go with that installer, simply download. Now here simply click on the no thanks, just download. Here doesn't need to log in and sign up. So this is the completely free one. So click over there. Now after that you simply click on keep. Yeah, here you can see that installer has been already downloaded. Simply double click over there. Now simply click on yes. Yes. So this is the MySQL installer software. It's getting open. So here you have to select that what you want to install. So here we are installing the MySQL server only. Simply click on there. Done. Doesn't need to install the complete all features of the MySQL for our practice. So simply click over there and click on next. So here it is showing that MySQL server 8.0.28 ready to download. Simply click on execute. So it will be downloaded over the internet. Just wait for a few seconds, it will be downloaded. So later on you can start the installation. Yeah, progress is 100%, download is completed. Now simply click on the next. Now software is downloaded. Now you can install the software. So simply click on execute. Now software is getting installed. It will take few seconds only or few minutes. Software installation is completed. After that, next step is the configuration. So go to the next, and here it is showing the ready to configure. Simply click on next. Now here it is in the developer computer and port number is by default 3306 and TCP IP remaining. Open the firewall settings. These two things should be open and port number should be 3306. That is the default one. If you want to give anything, you can give it. And don't touch remaining options. Simply click on next. Now use strong password encryption and all the things, keep it same and click on next. Now here it asks you to enter the password which is used to log into that MySQL terminal. So here by default small password I am keeping as the ROOT in small letters. ROOT. Even though it is showing the week, if you want to keep any other password you can keep it. But I have given the password as root. Small in all small letters. After that simply click on next. Now here this is the standard system account. Same. This thing, and in your computer that MySQL software name will be shown as the MySQL 80 and click on next. Now these are the configuration steps. These should be executed successfully, then only software installation is successful. So that's why simply click on execute. So here it will check that each and every step. If that particular step is successful, green tick mark will be shown, otherwise some error will be shown in red color. See this one, all the options tick mark came means that installation is successful. Now simply click on finish. So configuration is also complete. Now simply say next. So installation is complete. So simply click on finish. Now if you want to open that MySQL in your computer, simply in Windows search bar click over there and type MySQL. It is showing that MySQL 8.0 command line client. So click over there. One black color terminal is there. So here you have to enter the password what you have given during the configuration. So at the time of configuration I have given the password as ROOT. Give it. See this one. So once this MySQL greater than symbol came means you have successfully logged in. Now you can type all SQL commands and you can run here. That's all.